Okay. Uh-oh. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am your host, the most famous YouTuber in the world that no one has ever heard of. I'd like to introduce everyone to my new toy. Terrormite. It has a backhoe. And it's pretty cool. There's a couple things I want to do to it. Wheel bearings. Probably a couple hoses. Seat spins around to use a backhoe. It's got these weird four-way valves on it. Which is a little sloppy, but it seems to work. I just put gas in it. Runs off a lawnmower engine. Looks like it needs a paint job. No gas gauge. Power steering, that's kind of cool. You get your go pedal. And your go and your no-go pedal. Let off and it stops. That's the new toy. I've had this for 5 days now. It is sitting in plain view. My wife hasn't noticed it yet.